Hello everyone, my name is Quentin and we are QK2M. After stressful COVID-19 hit our country, the new normal has brought many pains for small businesses. We were tasked by MYOB to identify and solve one such pain. Our group has a huge interest in hospitality sector. There are more than 136,000 employees working in 15,000 food and beverage stores. Majority of these hospitality businesses must be in a small size. Although our economy was basically shut down, over 1,000 new businesses were opened in 2020. It gives customers too many options as there are too many services operating in the same area. So most of the small businesses don't stand out. The problem is that small business not branching out enough with their marketing tactics. The owner manager focus on day-to-day management job, not marketing. Also difficult for them to manage dynamic marketing activities without dedicated marketing teams. And it's hard for small business to identify market to customer target ads. If we look at the marketing objective of these small businesses, they aim to maintain a loyal customer and recruit a new customers. However, loyal customer mostly stay at our business area, while the new customer are traveler or visitors. Recruiting new customer has a low conversion rate because the business has to wait for them to come into area. But what if they get distracted by the next door competitors? How can we make a new customer recruitment a more viable marketing objective for small businesses? Opportunity is where we got our name. Local events bring new customers to an area or get the locals to go out. There are a lot of events ranging from business, conference, social festivals across New Zealand. Businesses can squeeze opportunities by local events which bring thousands of people to the area every month. Customers will search for the restaurant on their mobile when they come into the event, and the store that have promotion appearing on the customer search engine results have likely to gain those customers. While they can be good for business, events often cause issue for business owner because they cannot keep update with every single event coming up, and they don't know which one would beneficial for them. Also, they cannot predict the demand to fill up their inventory beforehand. Therefore, how can we help business capitalize on local events and prevent them from disrupting operations? Our solution is Opportunities, the simple promotion and event tracking application. Through Opportunities, businesses will able to view any upcoming events which could cause disruption to their day-to-day operations. To do so, Opportunities will make the use of Predict HQ local event API to get information about historical and upcoming events. Additionally, Opportunities will integrate with the Google Ads API to organize target ad campaigns during the time of the local event. Finally, our application will link to the MYOB Essential API to compare past performance with historical event data. Creating a link between certain event type and business performance, this will also allow Opportunities to alert business owner if the inventory is insufficient for impending event. Our application will be operating through Google Firebase platform, with the Firebase acting as the hosting and storage for Opportunities application. By making Opportunities a web application, we can utilize the software as service business model to control access to our service. We will use .NET Core and React as the backend and the front-end languages for the application. This will allow us for easier to mobility with the deployment, as well as the option to expand into a mobile application in the near future. As our application will be in the testing phase, our minimum viable product will have integration with British IQ's local event API, the Google Ads API, and the MYOB Essential API. This will allow us to provide the core feature of Opportunities such as event tracking and alerting, promotion management, and inventory alerting.
Hi, I'm Kunal, and I will continue on. Here is how our client will use our app. There are 4 steps to use the app. Firstly, the client creates an account on MYOB and Opportunities describing the business features. Secondly, client gets notifications of and stock alerts for upcoming events near them. Thirdly, client creates an ad and sets their budget to run the ad campaign. Lastly, client can lay back, continue to run their business, wait for the event day and get money. Our solution is in competition with existing apps which offer marketing or inventory management solutions. What differentiates our app from others are that Optus is able to warn about local events and provide a more accurate estimate of required stock. Optus will use active event tracking systems to facilitate aggressive local ad campaigns, which to our knowledge has not been done before. This will help store owners to save valuable time, optimize their marketing budget, and provide cheap marketing and inventory management. Our initial target market will be small hospitality businesses in Auckland, particularly high density areas such as the CBD. We will communicate to potential customers through the MYOB app marketplace, search engine optimization, social media, and by directly emailing businesses.
Hi, my name is Mia. I will continue subscription plan and financial part. Our revenue stream gonna come from base subscriber. First, the customer will have 2-week trial. All of our subscription plan gonna cover all of the minimum viable feature, such as notifying coming events, alerting and predicting inventory. Trial will last 2 weeks, but allowed to run 1 campaign only. Free trial tend to give a 10% conversion rate into the paid customer. To continue using, the customer needs to pay $75 for the standard package, which allow them to run 2 campaigns per month. The standard package focus on micro businesses with under 6 employees, while the premium package focus on the small businesses located in popular area so that they can run unlimited campaign whenever they want with the cheaper service fee. According to our financial plan forecast, we need 2 years to get the break-even points. If we get 863 paid user, which is less than 1% of the market share. To reach that point, we need to have 30 new paid user per month. About the expenses, our fixed costs mostly come from hosting and legal fee, while the variable costs come from cloud storage. Our timeline is that we will introduce first a prototype in 3 months and complete the MVP in 6 months. After that, we focus on doing sales and marketing to recruit users. We ambitiously reach 1,000 users by the end of the 2nd year. We also think of creating new features to expand our business to retail sector. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.